I'm paying.
Good play, guys. Good play. Good luck. Good luck.
Now I know what to
Fourth down.
No, but he made it.
No, he didn't.
Oh, they called it first down.
They just called first. No, that's for us. No, he didn't make the toss the run.
Oh,
No, that's no run.
That's so too.
Yeah.
I was like, I knew that was fair.
Nice pass!
Oh!
Nice pass, buddy.
That was good. Very good. A little bit of trickery.
Sorry. I was like not keen.
I'm like, I'll take it.
Yeah, I'll just do that.
Come on. Nice job!
That's 2 touchdown catches by
He had to save it all, you know, for
Looking good.
it's his lighter hair.
You got a haircut, huh?
It's the haircut. He's
Yeah.
lighter,
The
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Lighter.
Not distracted by it blowing in the breeze.
Bob yesterday was. I was like, I can't either. Especially because he leaves the house and his hair is just. He's got your curls. I mean, he does take curls, but you know it's all
Yeah. How often do they do it?
twice a week. Are you gonna make the kids swim this summer? Are we gonna what? Make them swim? I say make it because I know they're not gonna voluntarily. I doubt it. Just oh. Look.